Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. So we are going to hit that 10,000 subscriber mark today. So we are almost at 9,971. So thank you so much for you guys. I'm too excited. This is the first milestone of 10,000 which I'm gonna hit. Once I hit 1,000, that was my first milestone, which I felt really happy, and 10,000 is my next milestone. So thank you so much for your guys support. आप लोगों को धन्यवाद. आई मीन आई एम लर्निंग हिंदी ऑल्सो, एंड मेनी हैव टोल्ड मेरा हिंदी अब अच्छा हो गया है. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर यू गाइज. आई हैव लर्न अ न्यू लैंग्वेज फ्रॉम दिस चैनल. विद इन 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर मैं हिंदी सीखा हूँ. सो इसलिए आप लोगों को धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया. ओके, सो आज भी मैं एक लाइव ट्रेडिंग ब्लॉग करेगा, मार्केट के सिचुएशन के साथ में एक वीडियो करेगा, और 10,000 सब्सक्राइबर का वीडियो में हमने एक सरप्राइज रखा है. सो वी हैव केप्ट अ सरप्राइज फॉर यू गाइस in the 10,000 subscribers video. So once I do my 10,000 subscribers video, there are few announcements for you guys. So it's gonna help most of the people in my WhatsApp broadcast. Many had asked for many things about trainings, about calls, and about strategies and many things. So keeping all this in mind, there are a few announcements to be done. Once I touch the 10,000 subscribers, I will record a video especially for announcements and all this. So a lot of strategy videos coming up. So without wasting time, let's start off. Hope you guys had a good trading session today. I had a good trading session in the morning. Market is dancing in between. So let me see what is the market now. Oh, the market is neutral again. The market is in zero. But look at the other markets. Index is in about small cap, mid cap. All these are almost green. So market is in the middle. Then I will go to the indices. Looking at the indices, which is performing really well. Everything is 0.5, metal is minus 1.3, all this minus plus 5.3. Pharma is above. Oh, pharma is going down. The whole pharma sector is going down. Then however the stock is also not pushing up. Not pushing up. Okay, I don't want pharma. Which is this FMGC. Okay, FMGC sector looks good, going up. So let me see how the graph looks. This looks straight and stuck. There is no much movement. It's going with slow motion. And 1094.90 highest, and it has broken the 52-week high, and that's the reason it may anytime come down or it may break up, but currently it's in the middle. It's neutral. Let's check on Tata Global beverage. Has gone up to 154 for the day, and it has calmed down a bit down. Obviously, as and when it goes up, it has gone a good up. This is second in the position, so from 11, almost 11.20, the stock has come little down. The stock can go up again. Retract back. Okay, one option. Next option. Wow, this looks good. United Brewery. This looks good for me. 819 is the highest. 813. Just to break that resistance. 16. Next, if I go to Britannia, everything is going up. So it's whole sector is pushing up. Due to the resistance, this is stuck here. Tata Global has come little down and given a margin 52.20. Let me look into the Tata Global beverage. Okay, let us look at the chart on this. Okay, the stock has come down. We have support at 151.26. We have resistance at 152.83. Let me look at the graph settings what we have already kept. Let's go with awesome oscillator and support trend. Oh, the red has started. That's the reason the stock is coming down. But once the green starts, the stock will go up in awesome oscillator. In down chain, if I see is the green continuing or is the red started? Okay, the green rally is almost over. The red has come, but look at the pattern over here. Whole green, one red, again green, 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 again one red, and it is a chance to again go towards the green. So pretty good stock. You need to give some more time for the stock to rise up. So it has come to little bottom level. It can push up again. सो हम इधर से बाई कर सकते हैं और आप लोगों को वेट भी कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा और वेट कर सकता है, उसके बाद आप लोगों को बाई कर सकता है. ओके, ऑसम ऑसिलेटर अभी भी रेड है, इसलिए स्टॉक पुश हो रहा है नीचे. हम ऐसे ही और स्टॉक्स भी देखेंगे क्या हो रहा है मार्केट पर. स्मॉल कैप्स नो, मार्केट अभी भी न्यूट्रल है. देखेंगे तो आज स्टॉक्स में सन फार्मा ग्राफ अच्छा नहीं है, ऊपर भी जा सकता है और न्यूट्रल भी हो सकता है. हिचुअल भी फ्लैट हो गया है. इन्फर्टल का क्या, वो भी नीचे. शॉर्ट सेट क्या है, ये थोड़ा थोड़ा नीचे जा रहा है. हिंडल को भी फ्लैट. मार्केट न्यूट्रल हो गया है अभी, थोड़ा -1. ओके, हम मार्केट को देखेंगे. वो ये स्टॉक रिट्रैक्ट हो रहा है. चेन देखिए, तो चेन में थोड़ा और रेड है और रेड को क्लियर करना है, तो हमको एक और बाई करना चाहिए. So 152.50, 152.42, 5560 के बाद कर सकता है, इसलिए मैं पिवट को जाता हूँ. So let's check in the pivot what's happening in the pivot. So going to the Gantt square of 9, I'm gonna put a range of 152 and just check a regular check. Stock can go up to 153.14, that is 153 would be the resistance. If it breaks 153, definitely it can go up to 156. So the stock has broken and gone up to 154 for the highest. So the stock has a chance of, if it breaks 154, it has a chance to go up to 156. So currently 153 is the resistance. Okay, that's the reason the stock is dancing over here, but now you see a support coming up. It's time for us to give a small buy. Let me give a bracket order today. Let me buy around 500 stocks. Let me see if it buys. Okay, let me buy this at 154.5. Target 1 rupee 50 paisa means 50 paisa would be the target. Okay, let me calculate and see. So 152 into 3 divided by 100 is 45 paisa. So I'm gonna give 50 paisa. So mm, 0.50. Target is 0.50 paisa. Stop loss also I'm gonna keep 0.50 paisa. This is fine. So target is complete. Okay, it has been executed because 152.50 was the current market price, so it has taken. So let me see the pending order. So pending order selling stop loss is 152 and target is 153. Okay, so what you guys can do is you can, as in when the stock comes towards 152.90, you can move your target to 153.50 and increase your stop loss to 152.50. That is how trailing stop loss I meant. Or you can edit the stop losses and go up, trailing stop losses to up. So that is how you can do actually, and increase your profit. So we will wait and see if it hits the stop loss or if it hits our target. So bracket order, so we get both the side. We have 10 more paisa to hit the stop loss. Let's see. The stock can move minimum of 0.7% up and down. So that's the reason most of the time I tell you guys you can keep a stop loss. I keep a stop loss of 1% because stock will move around 0.7% up and down, and that is when your stop loss gets triggered. That is when most of them say stop loss triggered and the trade is done for the day. So that's the main idea here. And if I say when I can keep a 1% target, but a stock will move around 0.7%, 0.6% up and down, or sometimes it goes to 1%, but it's not consistent. That's the reason we always keep 0.3% or 0.5% of target and we just exit. 0.5% market, 0.5% is very easy when the market is above 0.5%, that is 0.50, and about 0.25%, 0.3% target is achievable. So that's the ratio which you will get to know as in when you trade every day. So if the stop loss triggers today, this is the video which I'm gonna do a loss video for you guys. 10 more paisa, 5 more paisa. In this case, I can go and edit the stop loss, and I can put the stop loss a little more 50 paisa down, and that is how I can avoid my stop loss, because the stock will retract and go up. So you can take a risk of that. Sometimes the stock may fall down also, that losing that extra 50 paisa, but most of the time the stock will come little down and then again it goes up above 152. So you can avoid your loss in that way also, but it's better to have a strict stop loss. For example, now 50 paisa stop loss, after this 50 paisa stop loss, you have a small loss, and you can cover this in the next day trade. So don't need to panic, don't need to do anything, just wait for that and have a strict rule. Stop loss means stop loss, profit means profit. What's happening to the market? मार्केट माइनस गया है, -0.9, इसलिए स्टॉक भी नीचे आया है. सो आज मार्केट अब से नेगेटिव हो रहा है. सो देखेंगे क्या होगा. 5 पैसे के बाद स्टॉप लॉस भी ट्रिगर हो जाएगा. हो गया, देखेंगे. हो गया है. सो स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया है. आज का वीडियो है लॉस. सो कितना परसेंट लॉस हो गया देखेंगे. 0.50 पैसा, 0.5 पैसा divided by 152 into 100 into 20 times of leverage. So 6.5% of loss हो गया है आज. Stock नीचे जाके the best way is to edit the best way to escape the situation is go and edit the stop loss and put the stop loss little down. So this is a live example what I want to show you guys. You guys will ask me, sir, why stop loss 1%, why target 0.3, why target 0.6? This is the example what I wanted to show. If you keep the stop loss at 0.3, the stock easily moves up and above 0.7 or 0.6%. So if you keep anything anywhere close to this range, the stock will automatically trigger, and that is how most of the people will ensure, sir, ratio of profit 5 times, stop loss 3 times. So this is the ratio you guys talk, right? So in this type of method, what we do, 0.3% method, most of the time the stock moves up and down, up and down, up and down. If you see now, that if it had bought at 152, the stock would have gone to 152.25. It will go above a little more. So you're done with your target. So that is the main idea we had in our 0.3% trick. Only when you do it every day, you'll get to know the consistency of that type of technique. So in this case, if we would have kept stop loss, we would have kept around 1 rupee 50 paisa as a stop loss as per our 0.3% strategy, and we would have kept 153 as a target. So that will definitely, today it will hit 153 and it will be achievable. So this is a small example for you guys who had requested make a video on loss also, how record a video on loss also. So thank you so much for watching, and see you soon. Dhanyawad. Bye bye.